माबायदि जाबाय इयो like what is called this where are you from Nun come to you oh my god
Ma.
what is this wine oh my
Wow. Beautiful.
oh you are Russian guys
Sanjalai be boरमाया
Russian fैदों
Nempa danger fैदोलै थैसिगोन आं
are you dancing guys
नायस्लाबलै आ बे फाग्ला फैदों
hello
दानजाबाय दै नोंजों जालालै
जोंहा मोखां महर गैजाद्रायाखै मालै ओंखायनोथ'
नों एसे बेकग्राउन्डखौसो नायो मानसिफोरा माबा एसे बेलेगनिया बेकग्राउन्डखौल' नायो रावबो फैला
Indian एबारना bro what's up oh are you party
आया मा खालामगासिनो नोङो
what are you doing here inside
मा भिडिअ
फाल्तुलै मानसि
दार्टी
dirty mind I thought go away to let's move Abi
गैला नोङो होननाय फैखायो
इदि खिथि नालाय मानसिया
मस्त इजारे गई दोननानै खुलुमखादानो ओइ लाइक होनांगौ लाइकआ Wow, 29 watching. 29 watching get him. Come. Get him. Come here. Hello, greetings from America. Wow. Hi. You can
speak right now
yes.
Damn.
Bolo.
Oh, what is name? Josh Morris. Getting from Namaste. India say Namaste.
Good morning from our college. Now we are.
Hello means Namaste in India, guys.
All of you, welcome to live stream. Mako. Jakai trailer sih.
Itu, Indianis jangan ya ram brother itu.
Miko Pormecho, hello. Hui. Hello man. Hello.
It's my left hand.
Josh Morris, Ram brother. Yes, thank you. Same to you, Ram. See.
Jai Sri Ram.
Same. Cut your hair. Oh. I mean, hair करने के लिए ही बोला मुझको ऐसा कुछ गाना था ना so Kashis Mirza hi hello how are you from how are you
I am from Good Thanks. I'm from Good Thanks.
Zita and Nita love hi hello. What are you doing now, bro? What? Not bro. Josh Morris, what grade are you in? Hey, mana cakap? What grade are you in?
I think he is from Indonesia. Bahasa apa?
That
Boleh.
you can see this one. Josh Morris, what grade are you?
It's not.
You can check this. What do you mean this?
कौन से साइड का को आप मैं
Nei
मैं
kita talang buzai na ni mana jadi ni what grade are you in?
what over here
Nei ke zau ni kan makan nama purma.
what grade are you in
Hmm.
what grade seasoning grade B C A like what this
So we don't know guys, we don't know Josh Morris. You can speak in Hindi, you can text in Hindi. So don't worry. Now we're going to next comment.
this one what is-
Koshish Mirza, line by line. कौन सी साइड का हो आप? हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया से हो गाइस, नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया. एंड देन
do you know Assam state
गॉड एफ नेल कट. ओ नेल
oh
नेल काटने के लिए बोला.
ये नेल so long मेरे इसका
हम नेल को खाना पड़ेगा हमें. मेरे पास नेल नहीं है, इसके पास बहुत सारा नेल है, लंबा लंबा. Now ibu tini bahasa apa? मतलब क्या है ये? We don't know. I don't know, but you don't know. You know?
maybe नहीं
We don't know
Right.
because we are from India. We are not properly know your local language.
school
So now we will going to next comment. Miko Barmejo. Hey, are you have Roblox? If you have added friend me please. What about it?
hey are you have Roblox what is if you have it friend me please
Inay. Translator na inay. Mana jadi ang bisde lang lalim ha maligde.
please help me Google Translator
We don't know your language. Now we are trying to
bro what does mean
Roblox.
Roblox is like apps or something
Din tunay no. You can check
apps
quickly.
apps जाना होयो Roblox apps आव एड खालामनो होनांगोन गावखौ गैया I want to search in Chrome like
Bro, I don't use Roblox.
arose Roblox
No, if नोंथाङा जुदि दङब्ला होनदो added friend me please.
Roblox is online game
Oh,
we don't play
we don't play.
Ro-
Bodolan mo chop.
बदले मानसिगोन दे बारा सिन्था खालामनाङा होननायानो जादों
Koshish Mirza. Now we are going to next comment. कशिश मिर्जा, कौन से साइड है का हो? हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया, हमारा जो क्या था स्टेट, हमारा जो स्टेट है आसाम स्टेट से हूँ हम. नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया आसाम स्टेट, जहाँ पे बहुत सारा चाय मिलते हैं. नंबर 1 चाय. जॉस मॉरिस स्कूल.
ते गार्डन का फेमस है.
जॉस मॉरिस, नाउ योर कॉलेज. Now we are coming to college.
Yes, we are college student.
Miko Barmejo, Roblox game. Oh, game. We know, bro. We know. Now we are going to next comment. कशिश मिर्जा, आप बहुत क्यूट हो. किसको बोला है? हम तो तीनों है यहाँ पर. तीनों है. किसको बोला है? किसको बोला है? गेरम को बोला है शायद. इसका नाम है. इसका don't do like this. इसका
Hey, don't show me.
don't do like this. What?
Why? Because I'm so ugly.
No.
You are so beautiful. You are so gorgeous.
Don't touch the phone. So his name is Ringkang, but he is not a girl.
But don't have girlfriend right now, Abi.
God
So
FF, just fun. Okay. We know. This is for fun. We know. Because we are also funny men. Josh Morris 1 grade, 2 grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade. We don't know like this.
We are now first semester.
Oh, we are now 1st grade. Okay, we know. Now we are understood. We have understood. Now we are going to next comment. Rima Akhtar.
Your English is good.
Hello. Hi.
He is good in English. At English.
We are going to next comment. Josh Morris for school. No, we are come
College.
College.
University.
Not university, guys. Now you are reading now in BSc first semester, and then he is BA first semester, and he also BA first semester. So now we are going to next comment. Kashish Mirza, you are very cute. किसको बोला है? इसका नाम रिंखांग है, इसका गेरेमसा मेरा नरून एंड ये रूपथन है. किसको बोला है आप कमेंट में बताओ. जॉस मोरिस, योर इंग्लिश इज गुड. whose English is good?
Not yet. Our English is so
Not
dirty.
properly. रीमा अख्तर, ये क्या है? लाभ है क्या ये? हाँ, लाभ ना?
Yeah.
लाभनि माबा आखाइ खनसेलाय दे. लाभ आखाइ खनसे लाभ खालाम.
I don't like.
दे खालामनाय नोङो रिंखां. Yes. Hey, fully kalam. Yes, this is called love.
This is
Yes,
called love.
yes.
Like Jenny. Jenny.
Mm.
What I want to say? Jenny also. This.
Now we are going to next comment. Kashish Mirza, you are very cute. अरे यार, किसको बोला है?
Oh, long hair को बोले. ये क्या? Long hair.
What is your name? Narun. अच्छा नारुन को. नारुन आप बहुत क्यूट हो. अच्छा thank you जी, मेरे दिल से शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. And then he is smiling now. Guys, comment us.
नारुन आप बहुत क्यूट हो. ये वाला को बोलते ने. What is called? Zoom से लगी था ये. हाँ तेरे ये नोट मिला बस यार. Where is sauce?
किसको भी कमेंट नहीं आया है अभी. कमेंट 0 हो गया. अब ये करता जा भाई. मेजर क्लास दंना गैयाबा?
सानैल' जोंना. लानाय नङा जोंना. ओरैनो थैबाय थानांगोन. लाइव में.
Hey, कमेंट करो जल्दी. नहीं तो मारूंगा. हैं? साजिदीन. आज किसने नरुन की मरी? मान नहीं जाते हम जैसे.
नारुन के मरी.
किसने नरुन की मारी?
सोर नरुन
थाखाय सोर जेनेबा
मा?
नरुन थाखाय सोर थैखो?
कॉलेज
नहीं,
टॉर.
बुझियाखै?
कोई भी नहीं मरा.
क्लॉक टावर.
मर गया. कोई भी नहीं मर गया क्योंकि
किसने नारुन को मारी?
मतलब पता नहीं, मैं समझ में नहीं है. Kashish Mirza, college tour. Yes, now we are college tour. And then next. Ha. We are laughing. You can laugh. Yes, you can laugh. Do. You can laugh. Good.
After today, after today, I will not accept practical copy. Those who have submitted, take their copies
we are now
tomorrow, and
live-
you should bring the check copy at the time of examination, which is very.
Udah lek माबा खालामना बाय इंग्लिश जायो दिनै माजे इंग्लिश जाबाय ना.
What happened?
नरुन तेरे कितने जेब है?
कितने जिए?
Kashish Mirza.